Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C21Y and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to block a number. We can use directly our contact list or the dialer settings. Of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the contact list. Let's open it, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Now we have to tap on this three-dot icon in the right upper corner and simply tap on block number. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. And as you can see, we've got this this unique icon, and right now this number is simply blocked. So as it was said, you won't receive any incoming calls or text from it. Of course, you can unblock it the same way and just by tapping on the three-dot icon and tap on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So let's get back. And right now I can show you the second way to block a number, and here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three-dot icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see here we've got our blacklist, and this is the number we just blocked from our contact list. So so everything went fine. And here from this step we can add a number manually, so you do not need to have the number saved on your contacts. Just tap on add a number, and as you can see we can freely enter the number and tap on block, and it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What's more, here we've got a cool option which is called unknown. So after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will block calls from unidentified callers. Of course you can turn it off the same way. So if you'd like to unblock the number, all you have to do is to simply tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock, so it will be immediately disappear. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your REALME C21Y. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.